Excited to announce after weeks and months of fun and coding, my new Chrome extension is now live on the Chrome Web Store. So just to use it on my website, because obviously client websites, some have NDAs, I don't want to use too much. So if I go to the Chrome Web Store, search for it, I'll also put the link in the description. Search Query Insights, that's the name of the extension. There we go, this one. Add this to Chrome. And then if we pin it to the uh, top bar as well, and it's S within a grey box basically. So to use it, if you click the extension, you do need to have Search Console access for the domain that you're browsing. If you don't have Search Console access, it should come up saying this URL is not found in your Search Console properties. So we'll just test that. Just go on random one, Nike.com. Unfortunately, not a client yet, but eventually they might be. Who knows? There. This website was not found in your Search Console properties, just to show an example. But if I go back to my website, open it up, it populates the data. If you have multiple Google emails that have access to Search Console properties, I've added a switch account feature. So if you click that, it'll prompt you to sign into another Google email, and then you'll be able to look on different your domains for the Search Console properties that you've got access to from that email, for example. We'll just stick to me for now. Just press continue, tick that, continue again. So, search queries for this page. It shows the meta title there, just to give a bit more context. It's got a date range selector as well. So it defaults to the last 28 days. But if you want to see more data, so you can see my homepage has had just over 1,000 impressions for freelance SEO consultant. If we wanted to see more data for this, we could go back a year. There we go. So just under 4,000 over the last year. You can, so yeah, that's changing the date range. It should automatically refresh the data. If it doesn't, give me a shout. There's a query filter as well. So if you're not looking for branded terms, for example, so if I not contain Fisher, so it's just non-branded key terms. Where that is showing ones with Fisher, hang on. Contains Fisher. Let's just make sure. There we go, it's working now. So yeah, not contains the branded key term. If we just want to look for certain search phrases, for example, so if I just want to see search queries with Sheffield in, search it in there, and it'll should change the data underneath. Just get rid of that for now. So you can sort by impressions, ascending, descending, clicks, ascending, descending, descending, and CTR, ascending, descending, and position. Obviously, position we want the lower. Want to see what's ranking at the top. That's obviously the more positive option. It also counts the internal links on the page. So these are links pointing outwards to other pages, external pages maybe. So you can see for each search query, it shows the number of clicks, impressions, CTR, average position. It also shows whether the position has changed. So if we set it back to, I don't know if it'll have that much data. So if I go back to, say, November, for example, so there you can see the change in position compared to the previous period. So it automatically shows it either green or red. Freelance SEO services Sheffield, previous position 3.2, position, average position now is around 2, so zero point 0.9 positions as a minus, and we can see impressions there as well. Oh, sorry, it just does position changes. And it also shows you, this is one of the best features that I'm using to optimize pages. It shows you how many times each search phrase features in the copy, so the frequency. So freelance SEO consultant found in the copy once, freelance SEO found in the copy twice. We can check that as well. But freelance SEO should do Control F, freelance SEO once, twice. It does take into consideration the navigations as well, top and bottom navigation. So yeah, just take that into consideration. Um, but yeah, let me know if you find it useful. It should be useful for finding out which search queries you've not got on a page, which should maybe be on the page. Queries in striking distance, and yeah, for content optimization should be useful. I'm looking to expand this into basically the ultimate SEO tool, where we're using Search Console APIs, GA4 APIs, Page Speed Insights. We'll add a custom SERP as well, so we can actually check the search results for certain queries. So yeah, let me know how it goes.